Today I will show you how absolute beginners can earn significant income on Pinterest through affiliate marketing. This method is accessible and straightforward yet not widely discussed. In this video I'll guide you through each step, explaining how anyone, even with no prior experience or specific skills, can start using this strategy immediately and begin making money on Pinterest through affiliate marketing. Let's jump right into it. First, I need to give a brief caution and disclaimer. The method I'm about to explain is effective and simple to use, accessible to everyone. However, it's important to understand that this approach will not lead to immediate riches. It provides a solid foundation for those new to online earnings through affiliate marketing, especially within the context of this Pinterest guide. By carefully following these steps, you can achieve your first affiliate commissions. Watch closely and follow each step to begin your journey. We are currently on Pinterest.com, which functions similarly to Instagram or Facebook, allowing users to share visual content. If you're unfamiliar with Pinterest, it's a platform for sharing visual content. To get started, create a free account on Pinterest.com by clicking on the sign up button at the top right corner and following the prompts. Choose a business account, not a personal. I already have an account, so I'll skip this step. Once you've completed the sign up process, you'll need to identify trending categories using trends.pinterest.com. Here you can find the most searched and highest interest keywords. You can either explore top monthly trends or check specific keywords you have in mind. In this video, I found a specific keyword, which is summer nails. It's a niche keyword, but let's take a look more deeply into this. Just look at this graph. It started to gain a lot of interest a month ago and it's still booming. So in my opinion, this is a great niche to start, but we need to start quickly. We can scroll down a bit and we get more related trends such as nails for summer, summer nail ideas, nail summer, simple summer nails. These are just different keywords that you can use in your post to make more SEO friendly content. This summer nails keyword is mainly female oriented, and if we scroll down a bit more, we get a popular pins that we can check out and get some inspiration from. Let me quickly show you one Pinterest account that is probably making a lot of money. Just take a look at this account, Beauty Lux. Their bio says Beauty Lux brings you expert advice, beauty tips, skincare routine. You can see all of their hashtags right here. But take a look at those numbers. They have 4,000 followers, but they gather 3.8 million monthly views. I'm just wondering how much money they are generating with this account. We can use this account as inspiration and try to replicate everything we do to our account because it's clearly working for them. You don't want to waste time with something completely new as a beginner. I always recommend starting with a trending and already tested topic. That's what we are going to do in this video. Now let's head over to TikTok, open up a new tab, type in TikTok, and this is the place where we are gonna find viral videos that we are going to repost on Pinterest. Yes, that's exactly how we are going to drive traffic to our affiliate links. Type in summer nails, that's our keyword, and go through these videos and find the ones with the highest view count. Basically, you need to find a viral video including a summer nails keyword. For example, I found this video. It has 2.1 million views. Summer nail trends 2024. So what you're going to do after you find your viral video on TikTok is you need to download it to your computer. Just copy the link of this video, open up a new tab, type in snaptic.app and paste your link, your TikTok videos link in here. Click on download and click on blue download button over here. Close this tab and this video will be downloaded to your computer without any watermarks. This is why we are using snaptic.app. Next, go back to a Pinterest account and upload this video as a new pin on your account. To address copyright concerns, we'll properly attribute the original creator of the TikTok video. As long as we give credit to the creators on Pinterest, reusing their content is generally acceptable. Remember, acknowledging the original creator is crucial. I'll guide you on how to do this properly later on. Also, you can ask a permission to use their content. That would be even better. Now, the next step is to move over to this section over here and click on Create Pin. After that, click on Choose a File and choose your video that we just downloaded. Notice there's no TikTok watermark. This is why we prefer using the Snaptic website for video downloads, ensuring the removal of any watermarks. Now we need our title, so we can go back to our TikTok and copy this title over here. Go back to Pinterest, paste the title in this area. Also, for more SEO friendly title, we can add space, add this symbol right here and type in summer nails. For the description, use a format similar to what many people on Pinterest are using. You can copy an existing description or create your own. To create your own description, let me quickly show you how to do that. Just open up a new tab, type in ChatGPT. You can generate and create a lot of things with ChatGPT, so I highly recommend to do that. And now just type in create a 200 symbols description for a Pinterest pin about summer nails, including hashtags and emojis. Click enter and let's see what ChatGPT generates for us. Now we can copy this description over here, go back to a Pinterest account and paste it in this area right here. Now we need a link, an affiliate link through which we are going to make money from. We can go back to our example account and take a look at what store we are promoting. As you can see, this is the same account, Beauty Luxe, and this is one of their pins. This is all about summer nails, so we can click on this link over here, which leads us to this website, this landing page, which looks similar to Linktree account. And here they store all of their affiliate links for this specific pin. At the moment we have 5 links. So what we can do now is just click on one of these links, for example the first one, and let's see where this link leads us. As you can see, we landed in a BeatlesGel.com website. This is probably all about the nails and polishes website, or just beauty. As I can see, eyelashes, kits and bundles. We have everything for women. So this account, Beauty Luxe, is probably promoting or signed up an affiliate program to this website, BeatlesGel, and is promoting their products. So what we can do now, just copy the name of this store, open up a new tab, paste the name of the store, and type in affiliate. We can click on the first link that pops up, Beatles official affiliates, and at the top they say join the Beatles community, make money from the comfort of your home. That's what we need. Okay, what is Beatles? Founded in 2017, the Beatles brand provides nail art enthusiasts variety and quality at an affordable price. So why join Beatles? Earn up to 15% commission for each validated sale you refer on site. Cookies duration 30 days. That means that whenever somebody clicks on your affiliate link, we have 30 days to buy something so that you can get a commission from them. This sounds great for me. So to join, we can click here and click on join us today. Now all we need to do is type in our name, our email and password. So that's what I'm going to do now. Once you fill out your information, you land to a page which says pending. We are reviewing your request. Once your request is approved, you will receive an email immediately. So now we have to wait for the store to approve our request to join their affiliate program. And we are back. Guys, I actually had to wait for a couple of days to get approved for this affiliate program because I was filming this video before the weekend. But now I'm all set up and ready to get my affiliate link. Now, as you can see, they are on Beatles Gel affiliate program, which dashboard looks like this. You get some performance stats, earnings, sales, orders, and invited affiliates. We can also invite other affiliates and earn from them. As you can see, we get commission discounts, our level. We get 80% commissions. Congratulations, you have reached the highest commission level. Actually, this is pretty nice because in my email that I got from them, they said that I will get 15%, but here it says 18%, so I'm impressed. You can also share your coupon code, which gets a 35 discount for your customers, your affiliate links, self-purchase, bonuses, and collections. Actually, it's my first time on this platform, so I'm just showing you how it all works, at the same time figuring out myself how it all works. So let's click on products and all products, and what we can do, actually we can create a bundle of different products, or we can share a link of each product, or we can click on save, for example, on this product. Okay, you can sell directly from your link. Shoppable links let visitors browse and instantly buy products directly. No need to navigate to a store. For example, we can copy this link over here, open up a new tab, click enter, and we get directed to these, to my collection, to my favorite products. So if we delete those, and we can add whatever products we want. Now what we can do, we can go back to our Pinterest account and just take a look at our video and see what content is shared. So we have some different nail polishes, starfish, and different colors and different shapes. So what we can do, we can build a set of different color polishes, nail polishes, or I saw we can also promote lucky bags, and we can do like different links, different collections, and we can add all of those collections in one Linktree account. So let's do that. So firstly, let's open up a new tab and type in Linktree. And if you haven't created your account already, just click on sign up free and just create your account. I already have an account, so I'll just log in. As you can see, I used this account in my previous videos. It's called Lean Lifestyle Ideas. You can rename your account however you want. For this video, I'll just leave it as is, but best would be to name it as your niche, to name it the same as your Pinterest account. But in this video, I'll just show you how to add links to it and how to build your Linktree account. So we can click on add link, and this is a place where you're going to paste your affiliate links. So let's go back to our affiliate program, and now we just need to choose our products. So we can choose, for example, this one, blooming gel polish. We can also choose a midnight euphoria, this combo right here, and for example this one, pastel paradise. Now we can go back to saved, and what you can see, we created our collection. Now what we can do is just click on short, and it will shorten our link. We can copy it and just test it to see if it works. Yes, it works. Featured products. All you can see is our products. You can close that tab, click on copy once again, and paste our affiliate link into a Linktree account. Click on add and wait for a couple of seconds for this thing to show up on our screen on the right side. Now it showed up, and as you can see, it says Beatles Gel Polish. You can change the name just by clicking on this pen right here. You can name it Summer Gel Polish, or maybe Summer Polish Collection, just like this, or name it however you want. You can add emojis and stuff. You can even change colors of Linktree account, but I just don't want to waste a lot of time. I'm just showing you the foundation of how to build this Linktree account. You can add as many links as you want, and I recommend adding maybe 5 links, maybe different combos. To do that, just go back to your affiliate program. We can delete those, click publish to delete. Now go back to all products. You can even share this lucky bag. We can just click on share link, go back to your Linktree account, click on add link, paste this link over here, click add, wait for a couple of seconds to load. And now you can see your 2 links added to your Linktree account. Of course, you can change the queue. As you can see, this one has an image. To add an image, just click on this thumbnail icon, and you can add nail, for example, nail image on this link right here. So as I said, I recommend you to add at least 5 links. Our affiliate link is basically ready to go. All you need to do is just copy your Linktree URL and click on this button right here. Go back to your Pinterest account, click on done, and paste your affiliate link, your Linktree account link to this area right here. And of course we can test it out. Just click on new tab and paste your link right here, and we'll be redirected to our Linktree account where you can click on this link right here, and this is actually our affiliate link. And as you can see, there are no products, and actually it's very good that they tested this link, because as I said, it is my first time using this platform, and I deleted these products from our collection. I didn't thought it will be deleted from our collection, actually, that the link we already copied. So we can just create our collection once again, just add those, and let's see if it works now. Yep, we can close this tab, click on Summer Polish Collection once again. As you can see, our products are added. So yeah, remember always to check your links to see if they really work and if you actually added your products. Alright, when you have your title, your description, hashtags ready, there's one more important step: crediting the original creators. Head back to TikTok and copy the username of this creator. Just copy like this, go back to your Pinterest account and type in credit at and paste this name right here. This should be good to go, but I always recommend to do one additional step, that is to ask for a permission straight to this TikTok creator to use their content. Now all that's left to do is just click on publish, and that is what you're going to do every single day. Find trending videos on TikTok, download them with Snaptic, and then just re-upload them to Pinterest just like I showed you. Alright, there you have it. This is the easiest way to reuse content from TikTok, upload it to Pinterest, and create multiple posts daily to generate traffic. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure to follow these steps daily. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried affiliate marketing on Pinterest before, or is this your first time exploring the opportunity? Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on making money online. I'll be sharing more strategies, so stay tuned.